So I know I mentioned this briefly in my ADA video that just came before this, but people need to understand this is the setup for a much bigger wave that is going to hit crypto over, I think, not a very long period of time. People are already taking notice of this occurring. So what I'm talking about is obviously institutional money. Institutional money has been doing a great job of help propping up current prices, and they've been adding in massive ways, multiple billions of dollars basically removed from the market that's likely not going to see the market for quite some time. Now, what we saw yesterday was the single highest day of trading in terms of spot ETF products, $7.5 billion. Now, this doesn't have a direct impact on the price of BTC, the price of assets in the space. It's a lot of just back and forth because they're trading the actual ETF product and not the Bitcoin itself. But this does two things. All right. The higher this goes, the more it influences the price of those spot ETF products, the more it heightens the amount that these spot ETF providers need to accumulate BTC to back the prices that are in there currently, right? But not just that. What this increase in trading volume does for spot ETF products is it increases the likelihood of other entities wanting to launch spot ETF products. Okay. For example, guess who came out yesterday and said that they're considering offering a spot ETF? Morgan Stanley. All right. Massive institutional provider, institutional corporation, right? And we've seen this kind of hint from other ones as well. I know there are spot ETF products that are being launched abroad as well. Big money wants to get their piece of crypto. And some people hate that. So I would say this: if they are buying and removing supply to allow us to move higher and faster, I think it's okay. There will come a point where they will likely control a large portion of the industry, at least the ETF products that are out there. Okay. But what this does is it gives people an opportunity to really truly create generational wealth. Like I said, this market cycle, next market cycle, likely the most too explosive that we'll ever see in crypto, because by that point, what we will likely see governments have their hands in big things like BTC. Will likely have institutional money have their hands in BTC in a massive way. The landscape of crypto is going to look drastically different. Okay. And that's why it's been so important that we take advantage now while frankly prices are cheap. And this is not financial advice or anything like that. But I just want people to understand this big shift that is taking place. Okay. It's happening right before our eyes. The bits, the hints, the bits and pieces are there. It's all about just piecing this together. There's a big reason why BTC is higher than it should be right now. There's a big reason why other assets are higher than they should be right now. And this is kind of the extra fuel that is pushing us higher. Basically, the lowest amount of BTC we've seen on exchanges in a very long period of time, and diminishing at a very quick rate. I think prices are about to get extremely wild. And I would not be surprised if we do break that prior all-time high. Dog's wagging his tail at the door. Would not be surprised if we break that all-time high in terms of BTC before the halving. So I appreciate you guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you think this is a good thing, a bad thing, if this is going to take shape a lot faster than we're anticipating. So have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.